What's up everyone, it's Alex Drobin and Michael Inwood from the Sidorova Inwood team. Thank you for joining us today. This is going to be episode 1 of our newly weekly series of Q&As. So Alex, what do you think our first topic should be?
Lately, I've been getting a lot of questions from my buyer clients as to how to make their offers more competitive.
But before we get into it, we gotta let everyone know we're in a complete seller's market. Our experience from last week, we bid on 2 homes, 20 offers on one, 30 offers on the other, record prices. One sold for $300,000 over asking, the next one $370,000 over asking. Absolute madness.
All right, so one thing we always recommend is to bring a bigger deposit on the offer date. The typical standard Toronto deposit is 5 to 7% of the purchase price. We recommend being somewhere between 7 and 10%.
And make sure that deposit is certified.
Yeah, so certified check or bank draft. The next thing we recommend is to give the seller their preferred closing. So you take possession of the property when it's most comfortable for the seller. Once again, that gives you an advantage over the competition.
And the typical closing in Toronto is anywhere from 30, 60, 90 days. But remember, if the seller wants to close in 2 weeks or in 120 plus days, make sure you give them what they want.
Next, and I think this is really important, we like our buyers to write a letter to the sellers as to why they love the property, why they love the finishes in the property, why they love the neighborhood, etc.
I like to call it a love letter to the sellers about the house. Lastly, I think you need to hire the right professional for you. They have to be in constant contact with the selling agent, make sure all your questions are answered, and of course, give you as much information as possible. They have to tell you how many offers are registered and make sure your offer is perfect, that there's no little issues with it.
So in terms of little issues, you have to make sure all the chattels are included, the fixtures that are in the offer, and basically so you have all the information that you need prior to putting in the offer.
Thank you guys for joining us today. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and of course give us a follow. And if you have any questions, please comment below, send us an email or give us a call. Thank you.